Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good, and if you're new to this channel, hopefully you won't leave without subscribing. So in today's video is a week in my outfits video slash what I wear to work. I'll leave all the specs of the outfits slash what I wore in this video in the description box for you guys. And please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Comment down below what your favorite outfit was. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram because I post most of my outfit pictures on my Instagram. My Instagram will be on the screen. Without me wasting any of your time, let's get straight into this video.
The shoes that I'm wearing is from Legit and I'm in the size 5, and the dress that I'm wearing right now is from DRAWSTRING and it's in the size small. I just checked yesterday that this dress is on sale. You guys need to go check it out just in case you guys want to buy it. And the biker jacket that I'm wearing in this video is from the Fix. It's in a size 10 if I'm not sure which is the medium, and obviously the hair is from your hottest wig. My shoes are from Pep and my pants is from mrprice. My fur jacket and my turtleneck is also from mrprice. So on this day I wanted to just be chilled and not be too much because after work I was about to go run errands. So I wanted to just feel myself on this day and not be overdressed, but at the very same time look professional. That I'm wearing is from the Fix, and this leather pants is from the Fix as well, and the shirt that I'm wearing is from a thrift store if I'm not sure, but in the main section. And my necklace is from the Fix. This bracelet is from this other Fashion IQ store. So my shoes are from the Fix, and I'm wearing a black skinny jeans from Legit, and this coat is from a German shop, and I'm also wearing a black turtleneck, but this time around it's from Ackermans. So yeah, most of my clothes are black because I like black. On this day it was a bit windy, but at the very same time I wanted to look a bit cute. The sneakers that I'm wearing is from a store called Rage, and the pants that I'm wearing is from a thrift store. Basically it's a bomb jeans, and this oversized shirt is from DRAWSTRING, and as you guys saw in the picture in the video, that's how I style it. And the back is from Cotton On.
So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what videos you guys want to see of me next, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram. So yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video.